He cheated on me in college, so I raised his daughter without telling him. We dated from freshman orientation to senior finals. Everyone called us college sweethearts. He called me wifey in public and backup girl in his private group chat. Yeah, I found it. And not just that, I found out he'd been cheating the whole time. Study dates that were just Netflix and cheating. Frat parties where he'd lose signal for 4 hours. One time he sent me a selfie with another girl's arm in the reflection. When I confronted him, he said, "It's not cheating if I don't like them. Sir, that's not how ethics or monogamy works." Anyway, I was done. Packed my stuff, blocked his friends, cried into a Waffle House menu at 2 a.m. Classic heartbreak arc. Then, 8 weeks later, surprise, I'm pregnant. I thought about telling him, but then I remembered he once said if I ever got pregnant, he'd move to Colombia with a fake passport, and also said babies ruin your six-pack, as if that's what matters. So I made a choice. I didn't tell him. Not out of revenge at first, out of peace. I moved cities, took a gap year, and raised her quietly. And it was hard. Night feeds, getting peed on, diapers, all while everyone thought I just dropped out to travel. But my daughter, she's hilarious. She said her first words at 11 months. They were, "Shut up." I've never been prouder. Fast forward 4 years. I'm working as a preschool teacher now. My daughter's in my class. Smart, sassy, lactose intolerant like her real dad. Life's calm until it isn't. It's parent-child interview day. Every family shows up with their kid to talk about progress, behavior, snack preferences, preschool politics. I'm halfway through my 8th juice box meeting when I see him. Yup, the ex, the guy who dipped waltzing into my classroom like it's a sitcom finale. And next to him, his new girlfriend and a little boy. My heart in my throat. But I stay cool, professional. Preschool voice level calm. He doesn't recognize me at first. But then, the moment. His son and my daughter walk up, holding hands like two cartoon besties. And at the exact same time, they both say, "Everyone says we look like twins." The girlfriend squints, then looks at me, then back at him. My daughter smiles and says, "This is my teacher. She's also my mommy." And you can see it. The puzzle pieces click into place in her head. She turns to him and goes, "Wait, is she your ex?" He goes silent, tries to smile it off. She steps back and says, "You said she ghosted you." I smile. "Nope, he ghosted us." Now he's sweating like he's in a courtroom with no lawyer. He tries to laugh and say, "This is a lot. We should all just calm down." And that's when I say, "You'll be getting a child support letter through the post." He looks like he's about to faint. And the girlfriend, oh, she's fuming. She turns to him and says, "Funny, you're getting one from me too." Boom, double kill. 2 kids, 2 moms, 2 support cases pending.